In this video, I'll guide you through how to manage conversations in HubSpot. Managing conversations effectively is crucial for maintaining clear communication with your clients and ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. HubSpot provides a robust platform to handle these conversations seamlessly, and today we'll explore how you can make the most out of it. To begin managing your conversations, you'll first want to navigate to the CRM section of HubSpot, and from there, head over to the inbox. Think of this as your central hub where all your communication activities are coordinated. The inbox in HubSpot is designed to help you stay organized and responsive, so let's dive into its features. Once you're in the inbox, take note of the left sidebar. This is your command center. It offers different views that allow you to organize and prioritize your conversations efficiently. First up, we have the Assigned to Me view. This is your primary workspace where you'll find all the conversations that are directly assigned to you. It's a fantastic way to ensure that you focus on what needs your immediate attention without distractions. Next, let's talk about the Breeze Agent folder. This is particularly useful if you're utilizing an AI agent to handle some of your conversations. Here, you can view conversations that are currently being managed by your AI agent. A great feature of this folder is that you can jump in at any time if your AI needs help or if you want to take over the conversation. This flexibility ensures that your clients always receive timely and accurate responses. Now, on to custom views. This feature allows you to create a view specifically tailored for certain properties or criteria. By setting custom views, you can streamline your workflow according to your unique needs. For example, you might want to create a view for high priority clients or for conversations that require follow up. Custom views give you the power to organize your inbox in a way that makes sense for you and your team, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Remember, staying organized is key to managing conversations effectively. By utilizing these views in your HubSpot inbox, you can ensure that you are always on top of your communications and that you provide the best possible service to your clients. That wraps up our guide on how to manage conversations in HubSpot. By leveraging the power of the left sidebar and its various views, you can maintain a well organized inbox and handle client interactions with ease. Thanks for watching and happy managing.